So good evening everyone, and welcome to the Hornet Warrior channel. I'm coming to you tonight to give you an update on the bald-faced hornet relocation. But before I start with that, I just wanted to tell everyone that has subscribed this week, thank you very much. I appreciate all of you, and so grateful. We've doubled our subscriptions this week, and that's really awesome. So keep that up, and we'll keep bringing you videos. Okay, now earlier this week, between Tuesday and Wednesday morning, this nest here had fallen down. My girlfriend got a hold of me on Wednesday afternoon and said, hey, the nest is gone. But then she realized that no, it was laying on the ground. I was at work at the time, and so as soon as I got home, I came out, and it was crushed pretty badly, you know, because it had fallen 4 feet or so. So it was kind of devastated. It put a big split in the side, and it had killed several of the baldies that were in it. So I've put it back up with a piece of wire instead of the tape. That was my bad. I should have thought about that, and not been so hasty in how I had stuck it up there. So kind of take a peek at it here. This is the first time I've been up to it since it fell down. And you can see there's several holes in it now. There's one there, another couple here. Leaves have all died on it, because they're not attached to a tree, of course. So the hole is over here on the other side now. There's not nearly as many hornets left in the nest, I don't believe. There's still some, but not many. But over on the other nest is where there's been just a ton of progress. And these guys never cease to amaze me in how quick they can work. As of yesterday, there was no envelope on this nest at all. And I come out today to it to look at it. And so this is what we've got today. They began to close in the very bottom of it. It's so awesome. Literally yesterday, there was none of that envelope there. They're so efficient in how they work. So there you go, you can see how much envelope is on it, especially from the last video I made. It's just phenomenal. They have been working up on the top area here too, putting more paper up on top, closing in the gap to the board. I think they're still trying to build that up so that they can reattach it better. Back around the other side, we can see at the top where they've added some more cells. They have reattached this bottom comb right here. Up in that center area there, you can see where they've reattached it. The only thing that was holding that up previously was this cable, you see. Oh, yeah, and and I touched that cable and they did not like it. They just come out swarming. They're not happy with me touching it at all. As you can see, they've gotten really mad. That's why you should never ever mess with a bald-faced hornet nest without a suit on, which I am wearing. I'll spin you around here. As you can see, I'm fully suited. They've been really testy since this nest here fell down. And I'm really curious to see how many are left in this. Because I do know that when it fell down, there was several of them laying on the ground the other day that were deceased. So we're going to tap this nest and just see what comes out of it. There's still quite a few in there. They're dropping out, as you can see. Not very happy with me. We won't disturb them much more than that. They're just attacking, coming at my face. Again, exactly why nobody should be messing with a bald-faced hornet nest without the proper equipment on. So that's about everything with the nest for today. It's going to be maybe 4 or 5 days here before I come back on with another clip. I've been super busy taking down nests for people, just about 1 to 2 every day. Got a couple other things I want to show you here real quick. So we've got the water tray over here, and I'm just going to refill that for them. They've been coming to this quite often, and the summer sun's drying it all up on them. So just fill it up with some water so they can come on over and get their drinks. And then back over here, I have the jelly feeder that they like to come and feast on the jelly. And from yesterday, this jelly feeder was right about where my finger is, full. And of course you can see what it is today. There's one there now, a couple of them actually, 3 on the feeder and enjoying that jelly. We've also added a hummingbird feeder over here with some sugar water in it for them. And I did that because I did see a couple hummingbirds trying to come to the jelly feeder, and the baldies like to chase them off. So give them an opportunity to be able to get a drink too. So I think that's about it for tonight. I think we'll leave it at that. As you can see, the baldies are pretty angry at me right now, just flying all over the place. And like I said, about 4 or 5 days I'll come back, give you another update on this, and we'll see what the progress is. Again, I thank everybody for subscribing this last week, liking all the videos, watching. So please keep up that work for me and watch everything you see, and be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future videos. Thank you.